Hello everyone, my name is David, and today we're going to be learning how to make binary beats. What is binary code? Binary code is the language that computers use to communicate to each other. Bi means two. What do you think binary code is used for? Binary code is a way of representing information using only two options. Today's binary beats objective is to practice coding and reading letters in binary, to relate the ideas of storing letters on a string, to the ideas of storing information to a computer. The materials we're going to be needing. We're going to need one of the strings. We're going to need 20 different beads. But today I'm going to be making a small letter, so I'm going to use this amount of beads. Then we're going to need our rubric for making our beads. The instructions of how to make this bead. On a piece of paper, write out 3 or 4 words vertically. Find each letter on the binary coded key and copy the pattern next to the letter it represents. Count how many beads you're going to be needing. Tie a knot at the end of the string, and let's begin. So today I'll be doing the letter T. So first I need to grab my string, and let's begin. And we're done making our binary beat. So for our letter T, the code goes black Y, spacer, black Y, black. Same as ours. There's black Y, spacer, black Y, black. So you can see the making binary beats are actually very easy and interesting to make. You can either use your name or any letter you feel comfortable to use. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you very much for having us, and I'd love to see you guys once again. Thank you. Keep coding.